storyboarding and the movie trailer option in iMovie. So to get started, you want to press this little plus button down here on the right, and you'll bring up this thing of the different movie trailers. We're going to come into here and just check these things out. And this is basically just to teach you guys a little bit about storyboards and how those work and how different shot types and shot lists and everything like that. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is name this project number 22 or your last name, whatever you want to do it. And then you're going to choose one of these different things. Each of these have different options. Here it gives you kind of a little bit of a preview of what it is. Down here it says how many cast members you're going to need, and it kind of tells what kind of story you're going to need to have and how long it is. So if you only have one person that you can film, then you just want to basically use one cast member. The love story obviously has two cast members, and it kind of tells the story. So the one that we're going to choose in this tutorial is just this epic drama. So I'm going to double click that and then press create. Alright, so now this thing pops up. It's totally different from everything else. And these are all editable. And you want to go in and you want to get a movie name, and you kind of want to come up with a story of what is this whole thing going to be about. And I have an example of one that talks about a student and becoming a graduate and everything like that. So you can change the name. Let's just call this graduate. And all of a sudden you'll see that it all of a sudden starts to come up there. We can do summer of 2014. And we can change all this kind of stuff. The hero's name, we'll just change that to Brian. That will be me. Type, and then this will kind of change all these different things. I'm a man. So we'll do, and dared to, if we go through it, you can kind of see as it changes as we go down. Studio name, and you can change the different type of logo style, and it will change it, and you can check out the different types of logos. And then you can change all these different credits here. Now the next thing is we have the outline. After you have the outline and all your credits all done, you can go to the storyboard. And what this does is it gives you more of how you can change some of this text, and it shows you how if you just press the space bar, it'll kind of run through it, and you can kind of see it going through here, and then it will put in the words, and then right here it has all these different pictures. What this is basically your different shots that you're going to need for your project. These are also listed if you just want one big list in the shot list, and this is good to take with you when you go out shooting of how many different shots you're going to need to be able to finish the project. So in the storyboard, the first one is just like a landscape, so you're going to have to get some type of landscape shot. And you need to also make sure that it gives you a little thing over here of how long the shot needs to be. So you need to at least have 4.2 seconds in your shot. And then also in here, you also have this next shot. And this one is more of like a mid shot. We're going to talk about shots after this tutorial. And then you need an action shot, some type of action shot. And then you have medium shots of the character, and a wide shot, and an action shot, and then also a close-up here. This is a mid shot here. And then we also have this one right here, which is also a close-up, mid shot, action shot, and then another close-up. So just make sure that you have all the different things filled in, and that you have all the different shots. After you have that, then you can basically come in and you'll have all your media up here, and then you'll end up dragging it into these things here. And that's basically it. So your assignment is to go to pick one of the different trailers, and then go through and do all the different shots that you need to do for that trailer. And then you're going to select the different clips out of your event library, and then pull them into this different thing here. In the end, I'm going to show this one right here real quick. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. All right, here's one that a student did. They filled out all this. Here's their storyboard. And sometimes the landscape, it doesn't have to be a landscape, it just basically tells the scene. So in this one, if I press play, So there's the landscape of the classroom, and there's the main character, one girl, and then all these other different shots that she had to do with her and her partner. If you don't have a partner, you're just gonna have to find someone that will help you out and finish these shots. So then that's it. So assignment, finish one of these movie trailers. Thanks.